What up, everybody? Demo Aurelius. I've been doing some work. I did start towing out. So what I'm going to do is it's almost the size, still slightly more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it back off one more again tomorrow, possibly tomorrow. But figure out when adjusting, just use the tie rod itself because it spins, Pull it in, push it out. So I'm going to find that and figure out what degree do we have to, and then figure out if we off the notch during up into the steering wheel. Because a lot of this was done after, I guess, the accident. I'm not knowing completely, but ends are going to get adjusted correctly. So I'm just checking some other stuff before I do set everything. But we're going to get to asking the neighbor. He's got a air pump, air tank compressor I brought before. I had to loosen Roxy's flywheel nut. So anyhow, and that was 2013. Around this time, near Christmas. Anyhow, I did a light and flywheel swap on it. So I took off the stock S5 or S4 turbo flywheel because I had a couple of them. Still have a couple of them. So whenever I get to Florida, I can go get my stuff and bring it here. Which I'm in the process of getting that in there clean as well. But yeah, I did my adjusting. Just gotta get adjusted a little bit. Pull the key out. It turns a little this way. So still a whole bunch of toe in here. So I'm gonna find it and then make the adjustments from there. So yeah, besides that, I keep misplacing some stuff, but I was looking and all that bang up in there. I was like, oh god, I don't want to even look at it. I had to get my adjustable wrench and start pulling a lot of that. That right there is, the pinch wheel, for the stock jack. So I got a lot of that to pull out. We gotta look at that. That's damage. Rails is twisted at. So this here is going to get pulled eventually, so that way I can pull off this fender because it's crunched down at the bottom. But as soon as I can get all that loosened up, I can pull off this fender and clean underneath, because I did the driver's side fender, which made adjusting so much easier and getting through everything. So I'm debating on sourcing the fender well, and depending on how far I go with this, if I just yank everything out like Roxy and whatever I have, I could toss on her and after cleaning all that up if I want to, depending. I don't know how things gonna go. We're gonna figure some stuff out, I guess. So yeah, we got tools of the trade to start doing some of that pinch, remove, release. So I'm gonna put the back up, and I gotta loosen up so I can release that tension on that cord for the connector for the fuel pump. That'll get tightened back up, and I'll look at what happened. I don't know what happened. I'm going to check up in here where the bolt is to see if anything twisted again, because if I twisted that bolt, I'm going to be kind of pissed off. And expensive ass reminder of you should just use the stock one that was in there. It was already beat to hell. Anyhow, yeah, that was $37 damn. And then the wait to get it, man. Anyhow, yeah, we're just getting some stuff together. Get some cleaning up in there. I'm going to have to do some better cleaning. So I got to get some more degreaser. This is not sponsored. That's just what I was using. I wanted to get the Zep 505, which was really good. Some purple stuff from back in the day I used to use. But anyhow, yeah, I'm just getting some of this stuff together. Deciding to lay it down. About to take the jack to the back, lift it up. Those are the rest of my 2x4s to get a even 3-3. You know, set angle. It is what it is. So, people, soon I'm gonna do the radiator fan to the radiator. Got some cutting to do. Hopefully the shears and a couple of the little saw blades make it easy work. I think I have access to diagonal cutters. So, besides that, I'm going to have to get another filter. HKS. We are good. So where's the sugar-free? Be good or be good at it. Wash your hands, drink you some water. Try to do one good deed a week. Go outside, get you some air. Don't be a creep if you're out at night. So, live by integrity. Be the change. I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell I do wrong. Peace.